Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Crypto Ginger here. Just want to bring you a quick update on what's happening in the cryptocurrency world. Now, before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of future videos, hit that little notification bell just as well. Now, guys, you can see it's Sunday, December 17th. I just refreshed my page, and if you saw when I refreshed the page, it went from 19,000 to down to 18,000. And I just wanted to show you that because the volatility with Bitcoin right now is so crazy. I mean, just a lot of rallies up, pullbacks. It's trying to maintain some sort of decent rally and at least some sort of correction here. I know that the market cap shifted just as well. It was around $580 billion right before I refreshed the page, and now it's at $560 billion. And you can tell that we have some coins that are either going from Bitcoin to altcoin or possibly going from, altcoin or Bitcoin into fiat currency. That could be the case simply because we're getting closer to the end of the year. We're also having two holidays, Christmas here in the United States and also the New Year's as well. So we might see a pretty decent shift in what happens with the market cap within the next couple weeks, guys. But I would imagine we're going to see some crazy rallies. We've already seen Bitcoin hit $20,000, so I apologize for not getting that video earlier, but we definitely saw that happen. We've also seen market cap hit $600 billion. So again, another milestone there with these coins, this whole entire market. As you can see, one more milestone, guys. Look at this, number 6, Cardano. Guys, I did a video on this just a little while back, and I pointed out this is a coin to be looking into in the very near future as far as going into 2018, and boy was I right. Look at this rally up. So you have a pretty decent rally up going up. It brought the coin up to around the 50-cent mark, a little higher than that. Now it's kind of hovering in the 49 to 50 cent range here. Small little consolidation and correction. So but 6, man, Cardano is moving up there, guys. I've heard already that this is a coin that could potentially see $2 to $3 very soon, at the very beginning of 2018. I've heard numbers even as high as $5 by the middle of next year. So if you are in this coin like I am, you are going to have at least some decent payouts at the beginning of next year. But I mean, again, this coin is just taking a tremendous jump up there in the very recent future. So keep your eye on that coin, guys, and I'll put a link in the description about that video for that. So moving on to what I want to explain here, guys. I have a couple of coins I've already done videos on, but I want you to get a general idea of why I'm talking about these coins. In most cases, I'm trying to reach out to an audience here that could potentially buy low entry point coins and make a pretty decent profit. Now, please mind you, I am not a financial advisor, nor am I here to provide financial advice. But what I'm going to do is try to provide some experience that I have personally, some examples of things that I'm looking for. And hopefully, with all that combined, you can get a general idea of how to work these particular systems and exchanges to hopefully benefit and profit from, jumping into some coins. If, for starters, you have the means to do so. I know that everyone stresses this, and I'm going to stress this every single time, but don't put any money into these things right here, like the cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Don't put any money that you cannot afford to lose into this, because it is cryptocurrency, and it is something that could drop and fail and at any time. Now, will it? I can't say that's going to be the case, but you just have to have that risk factor in mind when you come into this world. So jumping right into it, guys, with that being said, Dogecoin. I've been laughed at on this one right here just because I did a video regarding Dogecoin. I said, hey, had you bought in 1 year ago with just $100, you would actually be up right now 1,000%, which means you'd have $1,000 there, only having done nothing but let your Dogecoin sit. I know it's funny to laugh at this particular coin because it came across as a joking coin, but it has definitely made some profits for myself and for other people who invested, and it's a coin to look into for going into 2018. That's for sure, guys. Right here, as you can see, in the last 24 to 48 hours, it's already had a nice rally up. Some pullback here, I get it, but the fact is, we have a coin that had you bought in 3 days ago, you would already be up in profits with this coin. So something to keep in mind because this thing is sitting at only 30 satoshis, so very, very, very low entry fee. Again, you can buy into this coin, let it sit for a year, and you're likely to see anywhere from a 500 to 600% profit. It could even be higher. Like I said, from last year to this year, it was already over 1,000%. So check that one out. Check the video out that I did about that one. The next one I want to talk about is Verge. I just did a video yesterday, guys. I want to show you something here. So this coin, I called it out right off the bat at the beginning of yesterday morning. As you watched it, maybe even did a buy-in on that coin, you would be up right now, because if you see here, it's sitting at 149 satoshis. But if we look here on the charts, it is now currently sitting at 267 satoshis. So that's a pretty nice jump up, guys. And like I was saying, I was trying to call this out for everybody so you can get on board with this coin. It is a coin that is backed pretty heavily by John McAfee. And if you don't know who that is, he is the one who made the McAfee, the McAfee antivirus software. So check out my previous video for that, guys. I'll link that one just as well. The last one here, guys, is Electroneum. And the reason why I'm putting this last is because there's a little bit of detail I want to talk about. But guys, this coin has had a decent rally up. As you can see, it took a rally up here from follow my cursor along. Definitely had a pullback down, and it's maintained its consolidation by going down. And a lot of that has to do with some frustration because people were wondering when the wallets were going to be released. Well, if you go to Electroneum's Twitter page, they have posted here that there's going to be some information being updated regarding the release coming up soon. And there's also been a dump analysis posted just as well. So if you click on this, it'll bring you to this link here, and it gives you some more information regarding that. Definitely check this out. But the thing you're going to see in this video is this chart right here. And more or less what they're stating is that with this wallet releases getting ready to take place, you're probably going to see quite a bit of action happening just as well. So if I'm following this with what I think is correct information, then what I'm guessing is happening here is we're going to be seeing from around this area here, the 450 Satoshi mark, and I'm going to be guessing that we're going to be seeing this get to that area. So once that happens, we see Electroneum get to around the 450 Satoshi mark. This is going to shoot up and get close to around the 800 Satoshi mark. This is possibly when the announcement of the wallet happens. Because of this, you're going to see that all these profits get pulled out, and you're going to see a really big pullback on this. And once this pullback goes all the way down to about the 400 Satoshi mark again, you'll possibly see some more people start rallying on board again to make some profits, and then of course that's going to drop back down, taper off, gradually going back down to the 400 Satoshi level, maybe even dropping down to what this graph is showing is about 250 Satoshi level. And that's when you'll start seeing in this particular buy zone people start making some profits, because that's when it's going to go back up. And this is all speculation, but it's speculated to hit back up to the 900 Satoshi to maybe even 1,000 Satoshi mark. So I will leave this chart in the link. This was on a Reddit page, done by people who are pretty much invested in the Electroneum market here. So tell me what you think, guys. If you feel like this chart is something that's going to be helpful, and I'm going to try and use this right here. I'm going to try to keep everyone alerted as to how I see the Electroneum shifting and with buy-ins and sells. I'm going to try to keep everyone updated on that. But definitely look into that, guys. Like I said, we're already seeing that it's maintained some sort of tapering off here, but it has gone up just a little bit. It's a small, tiny rally, but before this video, it was hitting around the 444 Satoshi mark. So it's quite possible, guys, we're going to see, we might see this rally up a little bit more in the very near future. People want to buy in so they can make some money. So like I said, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And thank you guys for watching this. Keep your eye out on any of these currencies. And if you need any help learning how to use Cryptopia, just let me know. It's a very, very, very easy exchange, guys. Something to really start looking into when you want to buy some of these coins. So outside of that, guys, thank you again for watching my videos and being a part of our community here with the Crypto Ginger. And Really appreciate everything you guys are doing for following along, and of course leaving comments as well. I love talking to you guys, and I love hearing from you. So keep it up, guys, and share this information if you want to. Let's get this community growing as well. Outside of that, thanks again, guys, for watching. Have a beautiful night. Bye.